If you want to learn how to navigate in Lucidchart quickly and confidently, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the basic controls, where to find the main tools, how to move around the canvas, and how to work with shapes, connectors, and text without getting lost. Whether you're brand new to Lucidchart or you just need a simple refresher, this guide will help you feel more comfortable in just a few minutes. And if this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Let's start by creating a new document. First, log into Lucidchart with your account. Once you're on the dashboard, look to the top left corner and click the plus new button. From there, you'll see options to start with a blank document or choose a template. If you're learning the interface for the first time, a blank document is usually the easiest place to begin because it gives you a clean workspace and helps you focus on navigation. Now let's talk about moving around the canvas because this is one of the most important parts of using Lucidchart. If your diagram gets large, you can right-click and drag to move around the workspace. This lets you pan across the page and get to different areas without having to constantly zoom in and out. To zoom, use your mouse wheel. Scroll up to zoom in and scroll down to zoom out. That makes it much easier to see the big picture or work on smaller details. Another really helpful tool is the mini map, which you'll usually find in the bottom right corner. The mini map gives you a bird's eye view of your entire diagram. If your canvas is large and you need to jump to another section quickly, just click inside the mini-map and Lucidchart will take you there. This is especially useful when you're building flowcharts, org charts, or any diagram with lots of connected parts. Next, let's add shapes. On the left side of the screen, you'll see the Shapes panel. This is where Lucidchart keeps the building blocks for your diagram. To add one, simply drag a shape from the panel and drop it onto the canvas. Once it's on the page, you can move it around by clicking and dragging it, or resize it by grabbing the edges and corners. Taking a moment to understand how shapes work makes navigating the rest of Lucidchart much easier. After that, you'll want to connect shapes together. Click on a shape, then look for the connection points along its edge. Drag from one of those points and drop the connector onto another shape. Lucidchart will create a link between them automatically. This is one of the key features that makes diagramming faster and more organized. If you're building a workflow, process map, or any kind of chart, learning how connectors work is essential. Now let's add and edit text. To label a shape or line, just double-click it and start typing. When you're done, click outside the object to save the text. This keeps everything neat and readable. If you need to make changes later, just double-click again and edit the wording. Text is a small detail, but it really helps your diagrams feel complete and professional. Once your shapes and text are in place, you can customize the look of your diagram. Select any shape, line, or text box, and then use the top toolbar to change colors, fonts, borders, and styles. This is where you can make your diagram easier to read or match your brand. You can also adjust the layout by moving objects around or resizing them until everything looks balanced and clear. It's also a good idea to organize your document as you go. You can rename the file by clicking the title in the top left corner. Giving your diagram a clear name makes it easier to find later and helps keep your workspace tidy. Try to arrange your shapes and connectors in a way that creates a clean visual flow because good organization makes navigation much simpler for both you and anyone else who views your diagram. Finally, when you're ready to collaborate, click the share button in the top right corner. From there, you can enter email addresses or copy a share link. You can also decide whether other people can view, comment, or edit the diagram. Sharing is one of the best parts of Lucidchart, especially if you're working with a team and need feedback or approval. So that's the basic way to navigate in Lucidchart. You've learned how to start a new document, move around the canvas, use the mini-map, add shapes, connect objects, edit text, customize your diagram, organize your file, and share it with others. Once you get comfortable with these steps, Lucidchart becomes much easier to use. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.